Thank you, Mr. Chair, and members. I want to thank the committee staff again for their hard work, and we accept the committee amendments. Our job as legislators is to protect our communities, especially our kids, who are one of the most vulnerable. Our kids are the priority, and we need to make sure that we protect their well-being. The digital landscape is continually changing, and new types of technology are becoming more accessible to our kids. As a mom of 2 young girls, I continue to think about how all this technology will impact them as they grow up. More and more kids are using new technologies and AI chatbots. We have seen that there are so many risks to these new technologies, especially prolonged interactions with chatbots. The increase in prolonged interactions leading to harmful consequences that impact physical and mental health children are real. There have been numerous horrific stories of AI chatbots leading children to commit self-harm, some of which even committing suicide. Therefore, we need to ensure that there are basic guardrails for our kids to navigate online spaces safely. I'm proud to author AB 2023 along with my joint author here, the chair of this committee, because we want to be sure that our kids are safe when they are using this technology. Specifically, AB 2023 creates this comprehensive framework by regulating chatbots for children by requiring 1, age verification of users, as discussed in the last bill, risk assessments, safeguards including default settings, parental control, noticing, and measures to prevent suicide ideation or self-harm, prohibitions against targeted advertising to children and selling or sharing children's information, third-party audits for compliance, amongst other things. This bill builds on the good work from Senator Padilla last year and Ms. Bauer-Cahan, our chair here, who's been a strong advocate in this space and has had the fortunate, although unfortunate, reality of getting to know a lot of the folks who've been negatively impacted by the technology. And I know she wants to talk about some of those experiences here. We also have Nicole Rocha representing Children Now, and when the time is right, respectfully ask for an aye vote.